Cloud Skin Makeup Tutorial. Primer first. Foundation. Brow. Conceal. Natural eyeshadow. Slightly winged eyeliner. Lash and mascara. Morning sickness attack. Can't I use this lip cream as cream blush and lippy for today? Pretty shade color. Set with setting powder. Blend it all with big fluffy brush. Nose contour. Highlighter only on nose. Setting spray. And all done. I like this cloud skin makeup. Minimalism but mattifying. See you.